Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to revise the chapter factorization. Name of the chapter is factorization. Okay. Today I am going to revise the chapter factorization. Just to see question number 1. Question number 1. Just middle term breaking x square plus 5x square plus 5x plus 6 it is given. Okay. By the help of middle term breaking, you have to factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. Means you have to select two numbers whose multiplication is 6 and addition is 5. So what are the numbers? You have to select two numbers. Means multiplication, you have to decide two numbers. Their multiplication will be plus 6 and their addition will be plus 5. Select two numbers whose multiplication is 6 plus 6, that means 3 and 2 plus 3x plus 2x. Means you have to break middle term breaking. From the first two you have to take x common, that means x plus 3 left. From the last two you have to take 2 common, that is x plus 3 left. After that x plus 3, x plus 2. So what is the result? If you factorize, you will get the x plus 3 whole into x plus 2. Question number 1 completed. Just I am giving the concentration on factorization chapter. Middle term breaking x square plus 6x. Second question, x square plus 6x plus 5. That means here you have to decide two numbers whose multiplication is plus 5. Plus 5 and addition is plus 6. Okay. That means what are the two numbers? 5 and 1. X square 1. It means x plus 5x plus 5. Their multiplication will be 6. Sorry, 5 means 5 and 1. And this one is called middle term breaking. X plus 5. You take x common from the first two, x plus 1 left. From the last two, you have to take 5 common, x plus 1. That means x plus 1 whole into x plus 5. This is the answer of number 2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given that y square plus 13y square plus 13y plus 40. This is the question given and you have to factorize. Multiplication is 40 and addition is 30. That means in the rough work you have to write multiplication is plus 40 and their addition of two numbers should be 13. So what are the two numbers? Their addition plus 13 and multiplication plus 40. Decide. By middle term you will get 8 and 5. That means 8y plus 5y plus 40. If you add you will get 13y. From the first two you have to take y common. That means y plus 8 left. From the last two you have to take 5 common, y plus 8 left. That means here not implication actually, equal sign it is not equation, this is simplification. Factorization y plus 8 whole into y plus 5. This is the answer. Okay. 3 questions I have completed. Look at the next question. Question number 4, just to see, it is given y square plus 21y square plus 21y plus 90. Okay. That means you have to think two numbers whose multiplication is plus 90 and addition is plus 21. So what are the two numbers? Their multiplication is 90 and addition is 21. How to solve? That means 90 you have to factorize. It will go by 2, 45. Again it will go by 5, 5, 9. That means 3, 3, 9. 15 and 6. That means this will be equal to sign again. Y square plus 5, 3, 15. 15y plus 6y. 15, 6, 90. And 15 plus 6, 21. 90. From the first two, we have to take y common, y plus 15 left. From the last, you have to take 6 common. What is left? Y plus 15. Next, y plus 15 taken outside. And what is left? Y plus 6. That means y plus 15 and y plus 6 is the factorization of number 4. Let us go to number 5. Number 5, it is given that number 5 it is given x square minus 29x plus 100. Question given x square minus 29x plus 100. Multiplication is plus 100 and addition is minus 29. So what are the two numbers? 25 and 4. That means minus 4x minus 25x plus 100. Minus 25 minus 4, if you will multiply, you will get plus 100. If you will add, minus 29. From first two, you have to take x common, x minus 4. From the last, you can take 25 common, x minus 4. That means x minus 4, x minus 25 is the answer. Initial question of 5 also completed. Number 6, just to see, it is given 6x square plus 13x plus 6. So here multiplication equal to how much? 6 and here coefficient 6. 6 into 6, 36. Addition is plus 13. Select two numbers whose multiplication is plus 36. That's 9 and 4. 6x square plus 9x plus 4x. 9 4 is 36, 9 plus 4 13. And from the first two, you have to take 3x common. What left here? 2x plus 3. Last two, you take 2 common. That is left 2x plus 3. Yes or no? Next, 2x plus 3 taken outside and 3x plus 2. This is the factorization of number 6. In this way, total I have completed 6 questions about factorization, that is middle term breaking. By the help of middle term, I have factorized 6 sums from the chapter factorization. Okay. Thank you for today's class. These are the only specially for revision of your half-yearly exam. Thanks for today's class.